know this a very, very historic, I will say, best comedy scene. So, what is it that you get about presentation skills from this particular movie? What is the lesson you get?
Words are very important.
Words are important. Okay.
Uh, understand
You should
before
understand
speaking.
before
You
saying.
should
Understand before speaking. Kiran, it's
understand.
a powerful words, powerful. Let's dwell on these words. One is Surbi. Surbi, can you please repeat?
Words are important.
Words are very important. Each word, when we are standing in front of people, is very important. We think people are not listening, but people are listening. Kiran, what is your takeaway?
If you are speaking something, so before understand that, because
Absolutely. Before you're presenting, understand that word, understand the topic. Amazing, Kiran. Next, who would like to go?
Not
Research
just
more
repeat
on
the
topic.
Research more on topic. Who is that? I did not get. Anjay?
Anjay.
Anjay,
Yes.
amazing. Research more on topic. Yes, Sagar.
Just looking
yeah. I was saying
help.
not just repeat the things, add on something more of yours.
What a wonderful point it is. Just keep giving them a big round of applause. Just don't give, add on. You, as a presenter, makes a huge difference. Amazing, Sagar. What else?
जस्ट वन थिंग, नकल के लिए भी अकल चाहिए होती है.
नक्कल के लिए भी अक्कल चाहिए होती है. So good. It is very easy to get presentations on Google, download and present, isn't it? But वो जब तक उसमें अकल नहीं है आपके खुद की, अगर if you're not using your intellect in that, then the presentation will not be great. Amazing, Mohit. Great point. Yes. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
explore the
Add on your
topic.
more words to explain more.
Explore the topic. Research the topic. Very good, Monica. Vandana?
I was saying, add more explanation on the topics which you are saying.
Very nice. Add more explanation to your topic and from your side and you. And Vandana is saying, अक्ल के लिए क्या नकल के लिए भी अक्ल चाहिए. Very important. You are the soul of your presentation.
Be authentic.
Make sure you and the audience are on the
Authentic.
same
Be
page.
authentic. Very nice. Palak, you said something.
Make sure you and the audience are on the same page.
What a wonderful point. Make sure you and your audience are on the same page. Wonderful point. Anyone? I will take one more last.
Don't read and speak so that you can connect more with the audience.
Wow. Don't stick to the script. I think we have got such a wonderful insight from, a just 1.5 minute clip. And I will tell you one thing from my experience. One presentation can make or break your career. What do I mean by that? Every time in the companies, when you stand in front of the audiences, people are judging you, people are evaluating you, people are analyzing you, people are trying to understand you, and you exhibit your thoughts, you exhibit your, your caliber. Is it right or wrong? Maybe wrong, but we all do it. Please tell me, yes or no? Like, for example, today also you are evaluating what is going on, how is it going on? Am I right? And that is a part of psychology, so people will certainly evaluate. Absolutely, understandable language. And understandable language means what, Aryan? Very important here.
Um, if ma'am, even if you're speaking in English, words that are easy to comprehend.
Absolutely. But who will decide whether they are able to comprehend or not?
Audience.
Audience. Are you getting my point? Tomorrow, for example, if I'm addressing to the people who don't understand English, I can use simple Hindi. If I am addressing people who are foreign, then I may have to speak in English and very slowly so that they get time to connect with my accent, connect with me. So if we say client is the king, client is everything, in presentation, audience is everything. right? So if I ask you, we want to put 4 P's of presentation, what are the words you will use? 4 P's of presentation. Anything. The word should start with P.
Productive.
Productive, okay.
Powerful.
Powerful, okay.
Prepare yourself.
Prepare, amazing.
Progressive.
Rehearsal is not starting with P. So we need
Ma'am,
words with P.
progressive.
Oh,
Practice.
progressive. Okay, progressive. Any other word?
Presentable.
Presentable.
Presentable. Amazing. I think this is very, very important. Presentable. What else?
Practice.
Practice. I think amazing. So if we look at it, there are so many words comes into the picture. But when we look at it, there are 4 P's of presentation. 1 P is plan. Second P is prepare. Who gave the prepare? Who gave the prepare?
Me, ma'am.
Oh, me, matlab, I'm not able to
Sunita.
see.
Sunita.
Sunita, you're from which team?
The Jungle Book.
The Jungle Book. Great. So you get 500 points there. Excellent. Then we have practice. Who said practice?
Vandana from Rockstar.
Vandana, your team?
Rockstar.
Rockstar again get 500 points. Please keep on cheering your team members. Great. And last is present. Who said present? Presentation is there. Presentable is there. But it's a present. Right? So these are the 4 P's of presentation. But now, when I talk about plan, suppose if I want to focus only on plan, then what are the words comes to your mind? So now there are a lot of brownie points you are going to get. So please tell me. Yes. When I say
Plan
plan,
the receipt, plan the script,
script,
plan
okay.
plan
Script.
the way you speak.
Speaking, okay. Plan,
Relearning.
Plan the topic, ma'am.
topic, amazing.
Plan
What
the
else?
flow.
Flow, great. So now these are the words we have come to the mind. But today I would like to give it to you whenever you will give presentation. When we talk about planning, talk about, 3 words. That is A. ATM. What is ATM is? A. Know your audiences. And audiences can be, for example, you know them, you don't know them, where do they come from, how many number of people are there, what is their background, demography, everything. And let me tell you, presenting in front of known audience is going to be tougher task than the unknown audience. Being a trainer also, when I'm presenting in front of my team today, I'm still fearful. Okay, so know your audiences. That is plan. Second very important thing we tend to forget is the time. Now, what do I mean by time? When we are planning the presentation, we need to know how much time I have. Do I have 3 hours? I have 1 hour. And do I have, 8 hours or 40 minutes or 10 minutes? So time is very important. Okay. And next is M. M is called message. Okay. What is the message you want to give it to people? Because now, for example, let's play a small game. When I say chocolate, what comes to your mind? Let me know. When I say chocolate, what comes to your mind?
Don't eat
Something
too much.
sweet.
Dairy, ma'am.
Sweet,
कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कुछ
Sweet
मीठा हो
taste.
जाए. What else?
KitKat break तो बनता है.
KitKat break तो बनता है. Amazing. What else?
Don't eat too
Love.
much.
Don't eat too much. Yes, I can connect with you. Calories come to your mind. Yes. What else?
अभी दे दो.
हाँ, अभी दे दो है ड्रॉवर में
Chocolate is
रखा हुआ है,
love.
ले लेना.
Love.
Okay.
Chocolate is love.
Love,
Delicious.
love, delicious. Yes. Happiness, right? So now what I'm trying to tell you here is one word is a chocolate. Imagine there are currently 23 people out there. They are thinking and looking at the chocolate in a very different way. So topics are like that. Like, for example, when I say stress, it is different for everyone. When I say career, it is different for everyone. When I say sales, crores of things are written about sales. So what happens when you have audiences, they will expect, oh, mujhe laga ye tha. Oh, mujhe laga wo hoga. Are you getting my point? That will happen. But very important here is prepare your audiences and prepare yourself. Even though sales is a huge topic, in looking at the time, I'm going to cover only this much. So आप क्या करोगे? आप expectations set करोगे. Are you getting my point? Like, for example, when you go for the movie, looking at the name and something else comes out and they say, oh, I thought it's like that. So in trailer, sometimes you need to give what is it the movie is all about. Otherwise, disappointment will create the challenge. So when I say plan, what comes to your mind now? Topic and everything is there, but once you have a topic, when you start planning, it's ATM. Know your audiences, look at the time, and in that time, what is the one message, two messages you want to give it to your audiences? Any questions?